Bonnie, happy Saturday! I am back. I got lots of candle reviews for you guys today. I've been burning candles like crazy these last couple of days. I just have not had time to review anything because of all the stuff that's just rolling in. So today, I'm going to do a Bath& Body Works. I'm going to do a Yankee. I'm going to do a Kringle. And I might do another one. I might just keep on my roll here. So first up, smoked caramel mezcal. Okay, a lot of people are calling this the beef jerky candle. They're calling this the dog treat candle. I'm hearing this candle stinks. I don't get that. It's fine. Of all the candles that I like, I think it smells pretty good. So I actually went to the reviews. It only gets a 3-star review out of 22 reviews. And the reviews are mixed. I'm like, is this a batch issue? Are we all smelling something different? I don't know what's going on. So we're going to talk about that. It comes in the collection. This is like the cut glass collection. Apparently in the store, they've got like a decanter and glasses that you can buy, which I thought was really interesting. This is the spiced blackberry cider. I like the way this one smells cold. We also have the prickly pear sangria in the green. Sweet whiskey, which I did not like last year. Cranberry orange seltzer. And this smoked caramel mezcal thing. Oh, by the way, candles are $16.95 today. I just happened to notice that. So they're 10 off, though. Oh, no. Everlasting Magic, Moonlight Grave, $26.95. Don't do that. We just paid, $14.95 for those. So anyway, I have mixed feelings because I kind of thought that the labels looked a little cheesy and cheap when I first got these, but you know what? When you actually put these in a display for Halloween, we do not want to knock over this candle. No. Let me do this. Yeah, Greg's watching over that candle. This is, by the way, the Fairy's Floss from Kringle, which I love up here. There, we'll put that next to Greg. From far away, these candles actually look really pretty. And they look nice lit up. So, like I said, I kind of debated whether or not they look cheesy, but they're actually kind of pretty. So I'm kind of digging them. So, smoked caramel mezcal is, let me do the side notes. Smoky mezcal. I don't even know what that is. Honestly, I'm not a drinker. So that is right on my head. When I figured it was alcohol based on the collection. Caramel drizzle and cinnamon sugar rim. And the reviews are cracking me up because it's like smells like beef jerky. Let's see. Terrible. Let's see what else we have here. Smells like dog treats. Puke emoji. It's so weird. Pulled pork. I mean, really, this candle smells terrible cold. I never even burned it. I'm returning it. A horrible gag. I mean, these reviews are terrible. A soy sauce candle. Let's see. Literally smells like somebody threw up. These are not good reviews. The sheer audacity of this candle. I think that's my favorite. This candle is offending people. I love it. It's funny because a lot of people were saying it can't be that bad. It is that bad. I gotta say, it's gotta be a batch issue because I am not getting massive stink out of this at all. None. I mean, it's not my favorite or anything. I'm not getting a wonderful oh my gosh, this is gourmand. I am getting an interesting boozy caramel cinnamon, but it's not bad. I'm not running out of the room. It's not scary. So I don't know what to think. Honestly, I'm it's got to be a batch issue because I can't imagine. Again, remember PB&J? I mean, we've had a couple of candles over the years that were batch issues. I mean, I've had this thing going for hours. It's a little bit sweet. It's a little bit boozy. It's a little bit caramely. But honestly, I'd say it basically smells good. So I don't know what's going on. I would definitely smell this one in your store before you buy it. Because you don't know what you're going to get. You might have to return it if you get the beef jerky, if you get the dog treats, if you get the wretched scent. But for me, I'm like kind of digging it. Yeah, I get like a nice like sugary scent too with this. So I don't know what's going on. Leave a comment below if you have this candle. We have a full-on Scooby-Doo mystery on our hands. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.